Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How I came across WinFinity was by SafeMoon on Instagram. So here is a quick review of the website, officialwinfinity.com. Here at the top we have some options. You can go down to see the members, shop, the white papers, the group. We're going to go through and see this. Okay, here it is. Here's the address. They go on about saying how rug pulls suck and how, they talk about what WinFinity is. You can read that on your own. If you want to contact them, you can click that yellow square there. Down here is an auction for their NFTs, frequently asked questions. You can click there if you like. And this is pretty much their website. If you want to read this part, you can read it. It was founded this year, literally brand new crypto. Yeah, guys, this is the website. Now, all right, so the way how you would see WinFinity on the charts is that once you join the Telegram group, you can get a link to go there and see it. Or otherwise, you can go to poolcoin.app and you look up WFN to BNB. This is the chart. I'm on the 15-minute chart. At the moment, it's trading at 2285. It spiked all the way up to almost nearly about 35. It's still quite early. This is the first 5 days of the coin. So this is the charts of the coin. Okay, guys. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, I already have some WinFinity, but I'm going to buy more for the purpose of the video. So I'm going to go ahead and buy more WinFinity for the purpose of the video. So the way how you would do it is you would go to dApps. Then you would go down, you would scroll down, you would go to PancakeSwap. You click PancakeSwap. Then you would go and you would have to select the swap. So here we have BNB. And then we're going to go down and we're going to select the currency. Because you may not have WinFinity, WFN, you would have to go to the... When you're at the website, you can go to the Telegram group, or whenever you join a Telegram group, they give you these options. You can click PancakeSwap here. You click it. Then when you click PancakeSwap from the Telegram group, it gives you this option here to where that you can copy the address, or you can click I understand and continue. And then there you go. You have it there from the actual Telegram group. Okay, or you can go ahead and when you go there, you can paste the address here at the top. So what I'm going to do is now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to click max. And I'm going to go click swap. And I'm going to confirm the swap. Now you click approve. The transaction has been submitted. If you would like to view it, you click the BSC scan. So now once you've gone on, here is the actual transaction. You click it and here it is. All right, so how would you add WinFinity to your Trust wallet? The first thing you would do is you go up to the top right-hand corner where these option is. You would have to go down to the bottom. You would have to click add a custom token. The network is a smart chain, BNB smart chain. Then you would have to paste the address. Then you would have to add the name, WinFinity. Then you would add the symbol WFN. Then the decimal point, the decimals is 9. Then you would click done, and that's how you add it there. And then it comes up in your wallet with your amount. All right, guys, that pretty much sums up this video about WinFinity, WFN. I've shown you guys where to view it on the charts. I've showed you guys how to buy it. I've showed you guys what it is, and this is last but not least, the white papers. Here's an outlook of what their goals are and things like that. At the moment, they're not listed on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, but that's to come in the near future, inshallah. So yeah, guys, that's it. This is the white papers. Check it out.